Hi guys, I'm Imtiaz Kashmiri. Today is on 23rd August 2026. This time I'm in the Naidkhai playground. Here is a match in between Kangan and Dabgaon Sopor, and this is the first match of this tournament, which is organized by Thunder Football Club Naidkhai. You can see all the matches will be played in night. This time it's the first match of this tournament in night, playing by Sopor Dabgaon and Kangan. So you can see their audience also, audience from all the sides, their crowd, and lighting system here, and also it seems to coolness also because it's August, and you can see traffic on the road coming from Sumbul to Naidkhai and also Sopor. So you can see supports crowd also, and children beating this tune, we can say. You can hear this also, and this is the match in between Kangan and Sopor Dabgaon. Here I'm Imtiaz Kashmiri watching this match. This is the playground. In future it will be emerged as a stadium because on the road, and it's beautiful sight, tremendous scenery, and as we all know, recently there was a Honorable Sports Minister Satish Sharma sir. He was on the occasion of its inauguration. Now here playing, first goal scored by Kangan against the Sopor Dabgaon. That was the tremendous shot from the Kangan side, and I was feeling chill at that time, so I went to hotel and I have taken a coffee. That was fantastic coffee from Urban Restaurant, we can say hotel also. So you can see the beauty of this playground, the scenery of this playground, natural scenery we can say here, greenness and playing. So it's not easy to say that it will be a ground. In future it will be emerged as a stadium also. Supports lover from all the sides, supports activities, supports crowd also, we can say. As we all know, supports education is most important. It gives us our physical as well as mental preparedness. It's for keeping a good health, we can say. A person feels healthy, active, and it's best for health, we can say. And you can see, you can hear, listen the tunes also, and as of now I am As of now, we can see the crowd from all the sides beating to this tune by the children also. My fruitful message to the youth of the world that support is as important as breathing. It's like oxygen, along with academic education also. So here I am once again telling you that this match is playing here by Sopor Dabgaon and Kangan. So this time maybe it will be a goal. No. You can see this match is playing in night. All the matches will be played in night from the Thunder Club football night. It sponsors Shaheen Fruit Company night and others also, but I don't know their names. Now you can see here crowd from all the sides, and what a beautiful look. And I want to share my thought with you. I need your support. I want to meet my wife, Dr. Ella Shoaib, through a way of command post. In this regard, I need your support. And there was a Queen Jahangiri telling in that time and tide wait for none. But as we all of know, all things comes to him who waits. Sometimes we need a patience also. Sometimes we need a peace also. Because it is mentioned all in the Holy Quran that patience is most important. Patience and salah. Now, in future I will go to a command post. Through this way of command post, I will go to her home. In this regard, I need your support. Sake for humanity, sake for Allah. May Allah bless you and fulfill all your dreams. Thank you to all of you watching this. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. I need your support. I am your brother. I am one among you. So please support me. I am eagerly waiting for you. Thank you to all of you watching this video.